Hello everyone. So this another lecture series on theorems and circles. That's plain geometry too. So I have on the screen a series of examples you can try your hands on when you are free. Yeah, you can just pause the video and write them. Now, for this lesson, I'm going to introduce one more property. One more property. I think the last lesson we ended at property 4. So let's look at property 5. Property 5. Shall we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so 5 and 6 looks quite easy because of how they are represented. Let's write equal chords,
Yeah.
subtends, equal angles, subtend, equal angles at the center. Someone just told me something and it just keep ringing in my head. Yeah. Equal chords. Joanna, we still having call math. We'll start science soon and I'll update you. Yeah, so equal chords subtends equal angle at the center. Let me do it briefly, then you go for break. So assuming there's a center, you have this chord, right? Um, Hold on. This chord can be made to raise an angle. This angle is raised at the center. Yeah, this angle is raised at the center. Now we can have another chord right here. Please, O is the center, by the way. So we can have another chord again. That chord can be made to raise an angle at the center. You get it? Okay. Now, in your question, you might meet this. Some markings on the line. If it's one here, one there, meaning those lines are equal. If here is two and the other side is one, it means they are not equal. But if it's 2, 2, meaning they are equal, right? So these chords are equal. I've told you O is a center. Once you know this, if I give you here, you should be able to tell me, so it's equal to B. A is equal to B, right? Because the chords are equal, right? And equal chords raises equal angles at the center. That's it. Now, in the question, there will be an indication that the chords are equal. There will be an indication. It's either going to be said in the question that this line and this line, they will label the lines C, M, N, right? P, Q, right? So they will label that line, this line M, N, okay, is equal to line or P, Q. You see, in the question, you might meet this. Then you also be told O is the center, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So there wouldn't be any markings on the line, but you have this inscription. Just remember, equal chords raises equal angles at the center. So A equals B or B equals A. Any question?
No, sir.
This is going to be great. In our next session, I'll give you some practical examples to try. Get ready for science session. I'm still thinking, well, that is taking science, by the way. Okay, yeah. What are you doing science, right? Yeah. Get ready for a science session. It's now 10:41. You go and come back at 11, 11, right?